How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can buy crypto on Binance. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy crypto on Binance, just launch the Binance app and you'll see this kind of interface where you'd need to basically tap on this little arrows icon which is at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the arrow button, here you'll see all the sorts of information where you'll find the option called buy crypto. So you want to tap on the buy crypto button. As you do that, first of all, you simply have to select a coin, which means a crypto coin that you want to purchase. In this case, I'll just choose BTC. Now, depending upon the value of that BTC, you want to simply make sure to enter the dollars worth of BTC that you want to buy. If you want to buy a Bitcoin for $100, you'll be able to see how much BTC that you're going to get at the bottom, depending upon its value at the current date. And once you enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to purchase, tap on the option called preview purchase, and here you'll see the amount of Bitcoin that you'll get, and then tap on the confirm purchase button. You can see it says purchase in progress. Now, to do this, you must have already added your payment method and everything before. I'm assuming you've done all of that because I'm only and straightly showing you how you can only buy crypto and not do other things. Now, once you've bought your crypto, if you want to check the progress of this, you can come back to your Binance tab, tap on the little notification from the top, and you can see it says that your purchase was successful if you receive a notification like this. And that's all it takes to buy crypto on Binance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.